Hi, Danny Brown here from MarineMax in Stuart, Florida. Here taking a look at a brand new 2025 Boston Whaler 330 Outrage. This one just came in. As you can see, a beautiful hull paint. It's the Abaco blue. Coming up to the bow here, this one's equipped with a stainless steel anchor. It also has a reinforced tow eye if you were thinking about towing the boat with a yacht. Also has the stainless steel rub rail and Abaco blue under the hardtop as well. So you've got your chrome Boston Whaler logo, huge trim tabs back here. Walking around the back, this one is equipped with twin V10 400 Mercuries. These are fairly new engines, and for the 330 you'll see a lot with 300s. This is one of the first ones we've got in with 400s. Coming around to the port side, you'll see we have an in-swinging dive door here. Nice great boots, silver boot stripe. Let's take a look inside. Okay, standing here in the cockpit, as you can see, a ton of space here for fishing. This one is equipped with the fish station, which opens up. You've got a sink with a pull-out sprayer. You've got a nice little tray area here that you can lay ice in, which drains, and you can put your baits in there. This Yeti cooler will pull out, gives you easy access to it. Across the transom here, you'll see a big live well. And when you're not fishing, you have your bench seat here that pulls out. Transom door on the starboard side also has a ladder. And coming over to the port side, this is your in-swinging dive door. And huge fish boxes, insulated fish boxes on both sides. So you have two of these. There's also one up front as well. This boat is equipped with a manual shade for the cockpit as well, which clips into the hardtop, and then you have rod holders at the back here, so this whole area can be shaded. Going forward to the helm area. So this boat really has, I would say, 2.5 at the helm. You have 2 captain's chairs and then 1 in the middle. You can get 3 across here. It's also equipped with 2 16-inch Simrad NSOs. You have a nice little cubby here to put your phones in with chargers and 12 volts in there as well. This one is equipped with joystick, which includes autopilot. So the steering is independent on both engines. It enables you to move the boat sideways when you're pulling into or out of a dock. Also has Lenco trim tabs. Nice black acrylic dash. And you have a vent here as well, which when you're running on a hot day, you can open that up and really gives you a ton of airflow coming through here. Let's go forward to the bow. So plenty of room on the bow here, big lounger with armrests. Really nice place to hang out. This also has a ton of storage underneath. So you can get fishing rods that go through inside the head. You can lock it so nobody can see your gear. Also, this is a bow table that pops out. There's an L-shaped arm that goes in here. That's where the table sits. More storage around the bow. Underneath here, there's more storage. And then you've got your anchor, which is integrated within the hull, and windlass control up here as well as at the helm. Let's take a quick look at the head. So as you see, in there is your ladder. That's where the storage is for your dive ladder, and that is your shade. You also have a sink inside the head, electric vacuum flush head. So really nicely equipped boat. Electronics, you have everything you need, VHF radio, 2 screens. These 400s are going to be very fuel efficient. It's going to push this boat to around 59 miles per hour. Easily cruise it at 40 miles an hour all day. Most efficient cruise, you're going to be about 1.4 miles per gallon. As I say, this boat is located at Stuart, MarineMax. My name is Danny Brown. My telephone number is 561-800-4339. Please feel free to give me a call if you want to come and check out this boat or any others. Thank you.